Atul Thakre. I'm from ARAI, Pune, and we are here at the Bharat Mobility Expo 2024. So the motto of being at Bharat Mobility is that we want to demonstrate what are our latest capabilities and facilities that we have developed and which are the upcoming ones. ARAI, for those who don't know, or maybe they know but not fully, so we are a premier testing, certification and research institute of affiliated to Government of India. And any vehicle before hitting the road, it has to be certified for safety, performance, emissions. Of course, EVs do not emit, but still they have to be certified for performance and safety. So that agency which does this certification is ARAI. So that's how like ARAI is pretty important, I feel, for the safety. And we are here at the safety pavilion, which is Surakshit Safar. So thank you.
EV industry.
Yeah, regarding EV industry, I feel that EV is definitely the future. At least for two-wheeler, three-wheelers in India, EV is going to rock the next decade. Four-wheelers also, there are pretty good models that are coming up, and we'll see better models with better range and better performance, I think, in the coming future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.